Hello, can you hear me? Can you tell me your LMS name? What is your name? Yeah. Okay. And also, can you tell me your S number? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. So I will ask 8 questions. From that 8 questions, first 4 questions for lab 1 and the next 4 questions is for lab 2. You can give me simple answers, no need to explain in depth, just quick answers. If you don't know the answer, just let me know. We can move into the next question. Okay? Yes. Can you turn on your camera? It's because in Teams sometimes the video is freezed when you log in with your video. Okay. Now, okay. Yes. Your first question. Can you name any 3 keywords in Python? Mm-hmm. What is the last answer? Next question. What do you mean by a variable? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Can you tell me 3 built-in data types in Python? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Last question. What is a comment in Python? Okay, so that was for lab 1. Now I will ask another 4 questions for lab 2. Okay, first question for lab 2. How to remove values from a Python list? Okay, what was the answer you told? Okay, explain what is an argument in a function. Okay, last question. Not last. Third question. What is a for loop? Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. Last question. What does len function do? Len function? Len function? Yes, that's all. That was your final question, and yeah, I will update your grades later. Okay. Okay, you can leave now.